after a 3.5-month delay from breaking my arm. I'm not complaining. I spent the time in Mozambique on the beach. It was lovely. But finally, I'm back on the road. Just about to head off south to the Drakensberg. I'm doing a little trial run to test that my arm is okay with long distances. And I'll tell you what, guys, I'm a little anxious, eh? Whew. I'm excited as well, of course, but it's a bit nervous hitting the road after so long. I was so prepared 3 months ago, and now it's like starting all over again. But I'm doing it, ready to take on Africa. So yeah, let's do this. Let's hit the road. Got to stop for fuel, both for the bike and for me. Remember to stay hydrated while on the road. Mug and bean. Steers. Mug and bean. Steers. I don't know. Steers had a deal, 2 burgers for the price of 1. I went with Steers. Alright, my longest journey so far since breaking my arm. Can you hear me? It's pretty windy out here. It is so windy that while I'm riding on an angle. It's crazy, but I can handle it, and Darkwing can handle it for sure. Can't you, Darkwing? Yes! But I've done 300 kilometers. I'm about 30 kilometers away from my destination, Amphitheatre Backpackers. I need to pull over for a break. But I'm really excited, ready to go to check out the North Drakensberg. It's supposed to be beautiful. Let's see what we get. Just arrived at the Amphitheatre Backpackers. I haven't been in yet, so I don't know what it looks like. I'm very curious because everyone keeps talking about how good this place is. Freezer Bird checking in.
Hello, welcome to Amphitheatre Backpackers Lodge.
Alright. Okay, it's a little bit too windy for me to record this, but I'm putting my tent up for the first time in like 3 months. I've forgotten completely how to do it. But I'm sure I can manage. How hard could it be? Okay, I did it! And right after I finished, I found the instructions. I've never been one to follow instructions, but I got it done. I got it done nonetheless. Okay, tent's up. Now let's have a quick look at this place, shall we? Yes, this place has a jacuzzi. What? You know what else it's got that really blows me away? Check this out. That's a sauna. There's a sauna at a backpackers lodge. I never thought I'd see that. And over here in the background, it's like indoor rock climbing. Dude, this place has so much. this view amazing? That's the amphitheatre, yo. Such a pleasure to be here and to be back on the road again. Freezerbird, round 2. No broken arms this time, please. Let's do this. Mwah. Love you guys. That's not my bike. It's funny how when you're traveling through Southern Africa and you see another bike, you're instantly gravitated towards it to meet your new motorcycle adventure friend. And in this case, I met Leon over here. Hey, Leon.
Richard.
Hey. Leon's been traveling through Southern Africa for 3 years now. Where's your favorite place you visited, mate?
Almost impossible to tell you,
Yeah.
but everywhere there's water. Okavango Delta.
Oh, yeah?
Like Malawi. Well,
Yeah.
definitely a good spot.
Yeah, look at these stickers that he's got here. You've been a lot of places, haven't you, mate?
Not too many as I would like to go.
Yeah. There's so much more of the world to see, always. Well,
Absolutely.
safe travels, brother.
Safe travels for you, my
Yes,
friend.
thank you.
Imagine the epic trip coming up.
Yeah, thanks, brother. Ah, so good.